Hey guys.
Oh yeah. What we have is a family affair here. We're going to show them how to remove paint and get the walls prepped and ready for paint.
You're in good hands with this guy. I'll leave you to it.
Okay, so now the house has been sitting for a long time and the paint starts to peel. So what we need to do is really peel away all the loose paint and get it down to a paint that's really on the wall. The easiest way to do that is with a flat knife like this. And all you're going to do is take it and get it underneath the paint and just drive it up and it'll scrape right off, just like that. All right? What we need to do is scrape it until we get to a part of the paint that won't come off. Then we can move on from there. All right, you guys want to give it a try?
Sure.
All right, here you go. Now this is actually an electric sander attached to a vacuum cleaner. There's a screen around the perimeter that will collect all the dust and put it into the vacuum. Okay, so now you can start to see how smooth that ridge is getting. All right, a little more sanding and that ridge will go. Now you also have a textured ceiling that you'd like to make flat. Again, you're going to have to scrape away the loose parts with the knife, and then we're going to use this sander to help that happen also. All right, do you think you guys can handle it from here?
Yes.
All right, well, you're on your own.
Thanks, Tommy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.